How to buy HCH token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So, as you can see, and before we start, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. This token is created under this account, as you can see here. Now, this token is available on the screener. It's created 6 hours ago, and the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. The token address is under this Solana network. Now, open your fetch wallet for that, as you can see. Now, click on swap. Make sure you have no Solana in wallet. Now, click here and paste the token address. So, this is our token. Click on it, and here type how much you want to buy. So, as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive. Now, after that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or customer, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy HCH token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.